Hey everyone, it's Holly in the microbiology lab. Welcome to our lab room here at Encore Labs. Now we're very different than the rest of the departments here at Encore. The first being because we're working with live organisms. So we're working with Salmonella, E. coli, and Aspergillus molds. And they require 18 hours of incubation, which means that it takes just over 2 days just to get results from our samples. Another reason we're different than the rest of the departments is because our extraction procedure takes over 6 hours of our day, and then our analysis is fairly quick. So follow me and you'll see how a day in the life goes in microbiology. I'm centrifuging the samples to quick spin. Really all we're doing is getting all that gunk off the side. Because we're going to be pipetting this later, so we only want the liquid. It gets the reaction going. It's part of the process for the DNA extraction. And then we're going to be doing PCR on the computer later. So we're going to go set our timer for an hour. So a simplification of what we do is extract DNA from our sample and then run it through PCR. If you think you don't know what PCR is, think again. With COVID testing so prevalent this year, your own sample has probably undergone PCR to see if you were positive for the coronavirus. However, in our micro department, we don't test for viruses, but instead for 2 types of bacteria, Salmonella and E. coli, and 4 types of Aspergillus molds. These are the most prevalent analytes in cannabis and cannabis products, which is why the state of California requires us to test for them before they're put on the shelves. Apart from carrying out the extraction process and conducting PCR, we also have important tasks to maintain our lab, like streaking plates, making multiplex, and making media. See little streaks here. You can see through my glove. So there's actually some bacteria growing on these plates. And after we weigh out the current day's samples, we put them right in the incubator for 18 hours, and we start the process all over again the next day. Thanks for watching.